Hi everyone. Welcome back to Woo Can Cook. My name is Wesley, and this is a show where we are slowly cooking our way through all of the food from my childhood. Today we're diving back into our series dedicated to Chinese comfort food classics with a shot at, for obvious reasons, probably one of the most Americanized dishes that I have come across in a long time, which is a cola braised chicken wing. Yes, I know it sounds gross, but hear me out, I'll explain. While on first glance, I will admit this does sound like some insane Midwest housewife, spa-peggy and meatballs kind of thing, on further research I actually think that this is a very clever and resourceful way to quickly and easily make a batch of super tender fall-off-the-bone chicken wings, paired with a wonderfully sticky, sweet and savory glaze to top it off. This is because our Coca-Cola contains a high amount of sugar, acid, and CO2, or in other words, the same things that we add to, well, pretty much all chicken marinades and glazes. In other words, essentially all of the things that are in this bottle of Coca-Cola that make it sweet enough to cause an American diabetes epidemic and acidic enough to burn a hole in your stomach lining are all of the same things that we need to tenderize and glaze a chicken wing. This means that this bottle of Coke is about 80% of everything that we need to make our chicken wings today, and while I am going to do some extra credit here by toasting some whole spices and adding some umami and heat drivers to round out our glaze, honestly y'all, Coca-Cola did most of the work to make this dish today, and I will prove it to you. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so diving right in, we're kicking things off here first with some aromatic veggies to pair with our glaze. This today is 4 cloves of crushed and minced garlic to start, followed by 1 inch or about 1 tablespoon of fine minced ginger. And believe it or not, that is literally all of the knife work that we're doing today. Yes, y'all, this dish is that easy to make. Anyway, moving on to our glaze next, as promised, while I do think that our Coca-Cola contains most of the things that we need to make up our marinade and glaze, there are some key savory umami drivers that I think are missing, which I'm going to add here. This today is going to start with 4 tablespoons or a quarter cup of soy sauce and a single tablespoon of Shaoxing wine. Then next, this is a single teaspoon of dark soy sauce going in, rounded out finally by a full tablespoon of Chinese doubanjiang chili paste for some heat. Now, I want to stop right here and mention if we were making literally any other glazed or braised chicken wing, I would say that we are still missing a couple of key ingredients. This would include some form of sugar to create the tacky and sticky glaze that we need once we start reducing. Oftentimes, this might include something like sugar, brown sugar, honey, or sweet chili sauce. In addition, we would also need to add some form of acidity to help tenderize our wings. This, in other instances, might include something like rice vinegar, for example. Conveniently enough, however, both of these categories come in great quantity in this ready-made Coca-Cola braise that we have here, with a hefty amount of both malted sweetness and acidity. Look at that. On top of all of this, and I swear this is the last time that I'll rave about Coca-Cola as a braise, our favorite soda is also iconically flavored with a myriad of aromatic spices, including cinnamon, coriander, and nutmeg, or in other words, 3 of the primary spices used in Chinese 5-spice. Y'all, it's almost like this soda was made to be used as a braise, and for some reason we've just been drinking it this whole time like a bunch of idiots. Anyway, over on the stove, I have a skillet heating up over medium-low heat, and as promised, I'm just dry toasting some whole spices today to give our braise a nice bump in aromatic qualities, mainly focusing on spices that I think are already in the Coca-Cola. This for us today is about 4 pods of star anise for some licorice qualities, 6 dried Tianjin peppers for some heat, and a single stick of cinnamon to round this all off. I'm toasting this for about 5 minutes until lightly aromatic, then setting aside while we dive into our chicken wings next. Today, as you'll notice, we are braising in an enamel-lined Dutch oven, not our carbon steel wok as we normally would. This is because our Coca-Cola contains a very high amount of phosphoric acid, which of course will strip the seasoning right off our wok today, which we learned the hard way after using our wok to make that tomato-based nuro mian a few months back. Whoops. In any case, I'm heating my Dutch oven over medium heat, then adding 4 tablespoons of peanut oil and searing my wings for a brief 2 to 3 minutes here. Because of this step, I will say that I do prefer flats over drumsticks for this purpose, since they will give us more surface area to sear, although it is not impossible to get similar results with a drumstick though. We don't need these to be fully cooked through at this point, but rather we're just looking for some nice Maillard reaction so that we may develop a nice base of fond here at the bottom of my pot, like so. Once we have this fond going, I'm removing my wings, then adding in our aromatic garlic and ginger, and blooming for 15 seconds until nice and fragrant. Then next, I'm following this up with my Coca-Cola. This ended up being the entire 20-ounce bottle here, followed by our sauce mixture plus about a quarter cup of water. Then here's my wings going in, plus the rest of that Coke as promised, followed finally by our spices. Then I'm covering this and letting it braise for 15 to 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, I'm removing the lid from my pot, bringing the fire up to a medium-high heat, and letting this all reduce for about 10 to 12 minutes until a thickened and sticky glaze begins to form, and we're ready to eat. Okay, so those of you that have been following this channel for some time now know that we are absolutely no stranger to chicken wings. I'd say that this is probably something like the 10th or 11th wing recipe that I've done here now, this ranging from the more iconic Yangnam Korean fried chicken, Thai fried chicken, salt and pepper fried chicken, just the list goes on, and more importantly, ranges pretty widely in level of difficulty. This, however, might be the easiest one that we have done so far, and in addition to this, it's also phenomenally good too. This of course means that the ratio of amount of effort required for this recipe versus the quality of results yielded has never been this good. Honestly, I'm really just pretty flabbergasted at how simple and how good these wings are. This recipe is literally just mix a bottle of Coke with your chicken wings, and they'll literally be so tender that the meat is falling off of the bones. The glaze is sticky, aromatic, savory, and sweet all at once, and yes, some of it comes from the extra aromatics and spices that we added, but most of it comes from the stuff that was already in the soda that we've been foolishly drinking for over a century. I can't believe that I've been wasting all of this time making glazes for chicken wings when I could have just been using soda. I'm done. I give up. This is all you need to do to make chicken wings from now on, y'all. Okay, so that's it everyone. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you give this one a shot. For those who are new to the channel, this one is part of a larger series that we've been doing that's dedicated to classic Chinese dishes, so definitely check out that series next if you haven't yet, because there's a lot of these. As always, like, comment, subscribe, share, be nice YouTubers, and I'll see you soon. Bye.